DeekRelaxShacks.com. Now, aside from the tiny house stuff and all the DIY projects, occasionally, and from the start, I dabble with art, flea market flipping, and, well, graffiti work, which ties into art. It's early. Brain's not really firing on all cylinders here. What I want to show you is something you will come across in roadside, curb culling all the time. Street picking, as I call it. It's these super cheapo, slapped together, screw together Ikea tables. Now these new don't cost very much money, so that makes them very disposable to people because they're not bound to hang on to them. These tables are fairly sturdy, but you can see this is one we had for a while, where I had to put a couple screws, which I'm going to have to countersink to make it last that much longer. But I'm going to take a table like this, which I think new was like $8, maybe $10 at the most. And you can find these, like I said, on the side of the road all the time. I'm going to give this one a makeover and probably sell it for 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times that. It's something that's very simple to do, like so. First thing I'm going to do in my messy studio here, I have a ton of freebie paints I've gotten over the years from like transfer stations, from people moving, people dumping stuff, and just knowing what I do. This is a pretty cool color. It's like a full gallon right here. Don't want to use too much of it, but a project like this won't usurp all that much of it because I'd like to, quantity-wise, keep this for some other projects. So I'm going to use this blue paint because blue is fairly universal. You don't want to make it some garish color that no one's going to want to purchase because you'll find that right buyer maybe, but it would take you that much longer to do so. So we're using this powdery blue here.